Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to this new mechanical assembly drawing. At the end of this video, you should know how to draw and fully assemble these components that makes up this um, step down pulley. Here we have the frame here, and the frame has, so they call these brackets, two brackets here, and two web that supports both ends. Here we have a washer and a bolt here, and this bolt 140 runs through here, and it is fastened by the nut at the other end. This washer, this bushing is pressed into the pulley, and the pulley is placed in here. Yeah. So in this video, I'll be drawing the elevation, only the elevation in this video for now. So to look at this, how would we approach this? First, we're going to draw a rectangle to represent the base here. Rectangle 280 by 15. And then from that, I will be establishing from here a circle of diameter 78 to get the distance from here to here. Then I will draw this up by that distance and offset it to get that. Or I could use a rectangle for this, and then copy and paste it into the end of that. Then for the bracket, I'll be establishing the center, then place a circle here and a circle here, then an internal tangent. Yeah. For this part here, I'll be using a rectangle, then paste it in place there. And of course, I'll be drawing this. For the pulley, this is one rectangle here, two rectangles, three rectangles combined. So I'll be drawing rectangles separately, then combine them. And the pulley, of course, the rectangle again, 70 by 15. So for this, I will be applying mostly rectangle command to get this fillet right here, which is, I assume, 15. Yep. So this is a relatively, I don't want to say, well, relatively simple and straightforward drawing, which requires the use of application of rectangles mainly. So to get started, I will be changing first to my construction layer. Activate rectangle, then click my start point. This is 280, 15, 15, enter. So we have that in place. Now so I have that in place. Now I'm gonna draw a circle of diameter 78 from here. C for circle, enter. Left click here. D for diameter, enter. 78, enter. Alright. So this now is used to establish this point. Now I need to get the height for this. The height from base to up here is 85. It's 85 from here to there. So here, from here to here is 38 plus 50, which is 88. So that is 88. Height of this is 88 by 12. 88 by 12. Yeah. So rectangle, REC for rectangle, enter. Left click here. 88, 12, enter. Oh, sorry, it's 12 by 88, not 88 by 12. So REC for rectangle, enter. Left click. 12 by 88, enter. Remember, the X value comes first. Left click, copy C, O for copy, enter. Then left click here, move this in place right here. Escape. left click, copy again, CO for copy, enter. This time around, I'm choosing here as a base point and drop that right there. That is now in place. This circle has now served its purpose. That now done. This now can be deleted. That is in place now. Now this, well, this is now, well, I could draw a circle down here, circle 2p from this line, from this end down, 38 to get the center, circle 2p 38. Or I could draw a circle of radius half of this to get the center, or I could draw a line down and then out, right? But first, let me draw this washer. This washer is 34, is 34 by, is 3 by 34, 3 by 34. So rectangle REC, enter, 3, 34, enter. And this now is placed at that distance. This is not on center. The center of here needs to be established. So the center of here is half of 38. It's half of 38, which is 19. So for that, I up top C, enter, left click here, and I radius 38, 2, enter, which is 18. So this line now is the center. All right. XL, enter, horizontal, left click here to get that center. Delete. So we don't have the center for that. Now I can move this in place. M for move, or copy, CO for copy, enter. I left click here, then left click here. That is now done. And then left click here, then type M for move, enter. Left click on this side, and I'm gonna copy this to that side. So that is now done. That part is now done. And I will apply the same procedure basically to get this part. Sorry, this is 21 by 3, and of course I'm using rectangle again, 3 by 21. So REC for rectangle, enter, left click, and it's 3, 21, enter. And of course I'm going to copy the first one, CO for copy, enter, left click here, drop that in place, escape. Now I'm going to move the other one, move, left click here, type M for move, enter, choose here as the base point, then click here. My next step now is to use fillet, fillet. So I'm using fillet to get this end right here. Alright. So that's F for fillet, enter. Radius, enter. 3, enter. Okay, undo. I'm going to draw a rectangle over the existing rectangle. REC, enter. So rectangle over the existing rectangle. So that doesn't happen. Spacebar to reactivate, and again I'm producing a rectangle over the existing rectangle. Alright, so now fillet, F for fillet, enter. Radius, enter. 3 for radius, enter. And I'm touching here, touch here, So why that disappear? Undo. Why that disappear? Why? I made another. Oh, undo. All right. Let me use circle. Cause this tends to act up like that at times. Or I could trim here and then just redraw that line. All right. Let me use circle, tantan radius. C for circle. Enter. Tantan radius. And I click here, then enter 3, enter. Space bar to reactivate. Tantan radius. Click here, click there, 3, enter. Trim, TR, enter, enter. Touch this, touch that, touch that, touch that, touch that, touch that. And that part is now done. Now I'm gonna mirror this. Oh, ideally, I didn't have to draw both of these. I could simply draw one side, then mirror to get the other side. It is counterproductive to draw twice a cylindrical object. What I should have done is to focus is draw one side, then use mirror to get the other side. Yeah. So TR, enter, enter. Click that off. Click that off. Yeah. It's counterproductive to draw that twice. Delete. It's counterproductive. So don't let the don't practice to do what I'm doing currently. In the sense that I'm drawing that twice. Now for the fillet, there's a fillet down here. So I'll be using circle, C, enter, tantan radius, click here, click there, radius of 3, enter, space bar to reactivate, tantan radius, touch here, touch there, enter radius of 3, enter. That is now done. Then trim, TR, enter, enter, touch this, touch that, touch that, touch out there, and that is now done. Now on this side, this is 200 millimeters. The base of this is 200 millimeters from there. 200 millimeters. So I'll be drawing drawing a circle here to get this distance with radius 100, which would work out to 200 to get this point here. Or I could draw it on this line as well. So I'm going back to here, C, enter, click here, radius 100, 100, enter, and this now becomes a point. L for line, enter, draw a line from here down, enter, space bar to reactivate line, click here, then down, enter. So this has done its job, enter. Now my next step is to establish the center for this. So I will be drawing a line here, or circle 2p, circle, enter, 2p, enter. So I left click here, turn on author, circle 2p, left click here, move up, and this radius is how much? What's the radius here for that? Radius for that is that 8? Radius for that is 8. 8 and 8, 16, 1, 6, enter. Yeah. And I can go from here, space bar, circle 2p, and I circle 2p. Here is the first end, and here is 8 and 8, 16, 1, 6, 1, 6, enter. And now from this I'm gonna draw the tangent. So L for line, enter. Then press type ton, TAN for ton, enter. And I left click here, go up here and type ton, TAN, enter. Then left click here, enter. That is now done. My next step is to trim, TR, enter, enter. That's there, trim there, and that's now gone. That part, this is now done. Yes. I now have this line here, which is located at 230 from center to center. So I'll be drawing a circle with diameter 230 to get the center for this. So C for circle, enter, left click midpoint here, then go down to diameter. Diameter for this is 230, 230, enter. So diameter is 230. So we now establish the center here. And for this, I'm going to draw another circle here of diameter 12. C, enter. Diameter D, enter. 12, 1, 2, enter. And that is that. Right, so that is that. That part is now done. What else do I need to do? I need this cutout right here. And this cutout here is the web there is 12. This is 6, so this is a 6 up. So rectangle 200 by 6, rectangle REC, enter. 200, comma 6, enter. And now I will move this. So type M for move, enter, and I'll be choosing down here as a base point, dropping that here. So this is now for the cutout, and I'll be trimming out this TR, enter, enter, touch this, and I'm using fillet or circle. Let me use fillet for this. F for fillet, enter. R for radius, enter. 3 for radius, enter. Touch here and touch here. Space bar to reactivate. Touch here and touch there. And we can delete this now. That can be deleted. Delete. And I need to draw a line here. L for line, enter. Left click here, down. Space bar to reactivate. Left click here. Delete. I probably need to turn on intersection or perpendicular. So to that, go to OSNAP, OSNAP, enter, and check to ensure that perpendicular is turned on. Let me see, perpendicular. Yes, perpendicular should be turned on. So it allows me just to draw a line perpendicular to the next line. L for line, enter. Left click here, go down, see, perpendicular pops up. So I can draw my line here. Trim, T, TR, enter, enter. Escape, touch this. So that part is that part is that. Oh, this line should be visible still. That part is good. So I could probably mirror this. Oh, I need to fill it here as well. I can delete this now. I don't need this anymore. Alpha line, enter. I need to replace this line. Fillet. F for fillet, enter. R radius, enter. Enter to accept 3. Touch here, touch here. Space bar. Touch here. Touch there. And mirror this now to create that the other side over there. So I'm gonna delete this, then mirror, delete, then mirror everything here. Left click, MI, enter. Mirror point is here, enter. So that everything is there. That is there now. The base is now done. So now we'll need to draw this and the pulley wheel, the step down pulley wheel, and the bushing. The bushing is 75 by 15. So we go rectangle, REC, enter. And the first diameter is 100, 75, and 50. 100, 100, 75, 175, and 50. And the R25. So we go rectangle, REC, enter. Left click, 25 by 100 by 100, enter. Spacebar to reactivate, left click here, 25 comma 75, enter. Spacebar to reactivate, left click, 25 comma 50, 50, enter. Then move, left click, type M for move, enter. Choose here as the base point, left click here, M for move, enter. Choose here as the base point, click onto this. My next move is to align this. Yeah, so this is 75, but the space here is 80. I want to ensure that I align this, so I'll be drawing a circle of diameter 75 just to get the correct alignment. So circle, C for circle, enter. Choose here as the base point. Diameter, type D for diameter, enter. 75, 75, enter. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Let me see what's going on here. This seems to be off by a little bit. Let me add some dimension to this. Let's see if what's the distance here. Oh, this is 72. This is 72. Should be 75. Should be 75. Alright. How am I gonna fix this now? Alright, I'm gonna have to move or stretch. I have to stretch this now because this is a little less than it should. Alright, I'm gonna use align. I'm gonna align this into that space. I don't want to go through the process of stretching this. You know, I could Yeah, I could do that. So this is short by 3, so I need to expand this by 3. So I could rectangle. All right, let me share. Let me just take a time to do that. So this is 2 by, let's say, 20. Enter. I'm gonna move this now to here. M for move, enter. Alright, so I'm gonna trim inside here. T R enter enter. I'm gonna cut inside here. Let me draw a circle first. Before I cut out, before I cut this now. Undo. Ah, you freeze up on me. Come on. Alright, let me draw a circle here first. This is a very interesting technique. So 3 plus 2, 5, C, enter. Um, Circle. Center for the circle should be middle of 2 points. M2, P, enter. Here and there. That is, no, this one has to be 5. One has to be 5. That to be 5. 5, enter. So I'm gonna trim. TR, enter, enter. What's up with this? Why this thing keeps freezing? Why this thing keeps freezing? TR, enter, enter. Why this thing keeps freezing? Delete this now. Delete. I'm gonna move this. Select everything here, and I could so, but wait, I could have stretched this, and I could have stretched that. I could have stretched that as well. Alright, move M for move, enter. Choose here as the base point. Bring this out to that. That side move to that. And I'm gonna move this again. I'm gonna move this. Escape. Select all of this part. And I'm gonna move this part as well. Select everything there. I'm gonna move everything there. M for move, enter. Choose here as the base point. Move this out to there. Escape. And that has now been fixed. So now I'm gonna join these. I'll extend EX, enter, enter. Touch that, touch that, touch that. This has now been extended to the required length. So we learned something which is not among the norm. How to pretty much splice and extend a figure symmetrically. Symmetrically. That's the key. Symmetrically. Alright. So our next move is to move this now in place. M for move, enter. Choose you as the base point. I'm gonna drop this onto this right here. And delete this now. And everything is now in place. Right there. Delete it as well. Everything is we should undo the last delete, yeah. So now I will need to draw the the shaft, which goes across, the shaft is 140, 140 by 15, 140 by 15, yeah, 140 by 15. Rectangle, REC, enter, left click, 140, 15, enter, and that is that part. Rectangle, I should have added the length to this, I should have added the L, enter. So I've added 9 to this, 9, enter. Then pull this out to match with that. Yeah. So now I'm gonna draw a rectangle to represent the top of the bolt. REC, enter. Left click. This 15 by 1.5 is 15 plus 7. That's at 20, 22 over 25. 25 by around 25 by 11 or 12. 25 by 12. So it's 12, 25, enter. And I'll move this in place. M for move, enter. And that is now that there. Delete. Alright, now I'm going to use start end radius, start point, end point, radius of 15, enter. Circle, go to circle, drop down, tan, then click onto this, click onto that, click onto that. Then trim, TR, enter, click right here, then move this down, left click here, M for move, enter, choose here as the base point, move this down to that, yeah, then move this up, yeah, and I'm gonna draw a line, XL, enter, vertical, escape. Then I'm gonna bring this up, left click here, bring this up to that point. Then I'm gonna mirror this, MI from mirror, enter, left click here, left click there, enter. That is done. Delete this now, trim, TR, enter, touch this point, touch here, L for line, click right there, escape, click here, TR, enter. So this part is now done. It's now time for me to. So this has a that's at the end. Let this be about 20, and let this be try to be about 20. All right. Let me bring this in first and see what is what. Let me move this in place to determine exactly how far I should make that. M for move, enter. Choose you as the base point. Match this onto that. Match this onto that. Alright. Delete this. Let's undo, undo. It means a different, I want to use a different color for this. Different color. Yeah. M for move, enter. Choose here as a base point. Go here. That is that. Now I'm gonna explore this. Alright. Circle. Alright, let me explore this. Explode, enter. Offset or enter. Use C for through. Click here. O for offset, enter. Enter. Offset, enter. After that. I draw a line here, line along here. Enter. Space bar, line from here to there. Enter. Offset. O for offset, enter. Let this be 1.5, 1.5, enter. Here 1.5, enter. And that is that. So now they delete the center line, we no longer need it. Oh, I need to add the thing. I need to add the bushing to this as well. So now I need to add the curve tip. So I'll be using start, arc, start, and radius. Remember, this must be done in an anti-clockwise direction. So I'll be going here, clicking here, here, start, end, start, end, and a radius of 15, 1, 5, enter. That's now done. Now I could mirror this part, mirror this left click here. MI enter. First mirror point is here. First mirror point is here. This mirror point is here. Enter. And that drops in right there. Yeah, this drops in right there on that end. Yeah. So TR, enter. Zoom in into this, trim. So the only thing that is missing now is the washer. The bushing. This probably should be in hidden detail line. Yeah, hidden detail line, hidden line. Alright, hidden line right there. Line type scale, probably need to increase. Now the bushing here is the bush 75 by 21. 75 by 21, and internal diameter is 15. Alright, so 75 by 21. So rectangle, REC, enter, left click, 75, 21, enter. I'm gonna draw a line here, or explode this, left click, explode, enter. And oh, let's draw a circle. C for circle, enter. Diameter, D for diameter, 15, 1, 5, enter. Then I'm going to copy this. C, O, enter. Left click here, left click here, left click here, delete. And I'm going to use a different color, use a hatch for this. Hatch. Copy or move M, enter. Choose here as the base point. And I'm going to drop this into the drawing here. And the bushing is in place. So that is basically that, the assembled view for that. Yeah, probably I should use my property and fix up some of this. So let me change one, then use match property. MA, enter. Left click here, left click there, left click there, left click here as well, left click here. Yeah, yeah. So that is, so this should be in broken line, broken or in detail line. MA, enter. Match property. Touch this. Touch that. Touch that. Alright, touch this. Touch that. Touch this. Touch that. And that is pretty much that. The bold could have been more pronounced, but I decided to let it stay like that. MA, enter. Touch this, then touch that. I decided to let it stay just like that for now, as I don't want to make this video too long. Of course, at this stage you should know how to do the dimensioning, you know. So that's the front elevation, assembled front elevation. In subsequent videos I'll be showing you how to draw the assembled plan, the sectional elevation, and the assembled end, and possible sectional end elevation as well. Alright, again, like, subscribe, and of course drop a comment. They mean a lot to me. Okay, peace out. Remember, you don't need to be good to start, but you must start in order to be good.